Welding is one of the most critical steps in temperature sensor manufacturing. A single weak weld can lead to unstable resistance values, calibration failures, and premature sensor degradation, ultimately increasing your production costs. This is why the world's leading temperature sensor manufacturers trust TATE. Our advanced resistance spot welding machine is engineered to deliver exceptional welding precision for a wide range of sensor types, including platinum resistance sensors, PT100, PT200, PT500, PT1000, PT50, NTC and PTC thermistors, RTD sensors, thermocouples, K-type, T-type, E-type, and more. Other specialty sensors requiring precision welding. Why TATE? One machine for all sensors. No need for multiple welding systems. TATE is optimized for every type of temperature sensor. Perfect welding precision. No weak joints, no overheating, just stable and reliable connections every time. High production efficiency. Reduce rework, minimize defects, and maximize throughput. The industry standard, used by the biggest sensor manufacturers worldwide. You can trust TATE for superior quality. Solve your welding challenges today. Tired of weak or inconsistent welds? TATE ensures flawless connections. Struggling with sensor performance issues? Our precision welding protects delicate components. Looking for a single solution to optimize your production? TATE is the answer. Get in touch today. Join the global industry leaders who trust TATE to deliver perfect welds every time. 86130665706. Email info@oktate.com. Your sensors deserve the best welding technology. Choose